So I'm back again. This is, like I said, the El Camino. So we open this one. This is new. Then we got this one open. It's a McDonald's toy. And now we're going to start with this one. This is the Technobit Series Shadow Jet 2. Pretty nice. I like this car. $689. We'll get this one open. It's not that hard. Really nice car. Cyber on the sides here. Get that over there. This is the Speed Blaster from the Game Over series. Dino Hunt. Get that open. Not much to say about these cars, to be honest. Corvette Stingray 3. Number 595 in purple. No price tags on any of these either, so somebody's not paying $5 for these like these in the last video. This is a nice car, nice shape. You get the 32 Ford delivery. Now this one's a little bit more rare. This one I would say is one of the more uncommon blue cards. This is one of the more not so common ones of the set, so I'm going to open it anyway. But this one I would be willing to spend about $3 or $4 for because of the fact it's not that common. I'm going to try to slide this out without damaging the package. I probably have to open it a little bit more to do that. There we go. Okay. And here's the 32 Ford delivery. These have probably been in their packaging for over 10 or 15 years now, I would assume. And here is the Panos GTR1 right here. Now there is some yellowing. If you look here, there's like some yellow shades on the front. So the package is discoloring a little bit, or there was something drawn there. So the packaging on this one's not in the best of condition, but I am going to get it open anyway, so it doesn't matter. It's the Panos GTR1. That there. Now we have a few more left. We have, I think, about 6 or 7 cars left. We have the Track T from the Hot Rod Magazine series, 2000, number 6. I like these little tiny vehicles. So now I hear it. I like these little tiny cars, but the axles do bend very, very easily on this. So you have to be careful. Because I had one of these at one time, and the axles were completely bent up. Then the Beach Blaster, number 528. Now, this is not the Leo version. This is the regular carded version. They made 2 versions. They made a Leo version, and they made a regular carded version of this car. And this is the regular standard version of this car. So, let me just get this out of here. And it looks like it's just going to be an easy fix. There we go. And there's the Beach Blaster right there. That's the loose version. So, I have that. Dodge Sidewinder, Snack Time series. Popcorn on the sides. Then we have the Callaway C7 from the Extreme Speed series. I don't believe I have this one. It's number 966. Here it is. And we have the Eye Candy from 2003, number 146. Get this one open really quick. I paid $1 for this one. This one was really inexpensive. Get that over there. We have 2 left. We have the Shadow Jet, another Shadow Jet from the Spy Print series. Get this one open. It's purple. And then the last one here is the GM Lean Machine, number 812. This is a nice car. It's blue and gold. And we got this open too. Pretty cool. So we have all these vehicles here, and we have the main stopper in the packaging right here. So I'm just gonna keep that like this. I'm not gonna open that one, but the rest are good. And that's it, guys. Have a good day.